Good morning, folks. Alex here with Disney. Today, pre-market 8% higher. This confirms our upgrade to weak buy. I remind you that we downgraded this stock to strong sell at $200, making it available on YouTube. We announced my price target, and I said that I was not interested in remaining investing in Walt Disney, reversing to the short side, along with the case of Netflix. Both of them, they crashed, they melted. So this stock was upgraded to, I repeat, weak buy, um, and we remain with this upgraded to weak buy, and therefore this is what I have to say, that you have access to this in the app on intuitive AI stock analytics. Upgrade to week buy below $90, and we remain with this upgrade to week buy. So what does it mean? It means, I remind you that this was downgraded here. We wrote articles on the blog many months ago announcing that this was going to crash. Therefore, not only YouTube members, they had access to it, as well as basically everyone. So if you have questions about it, go to the blog and you'll find the articles there. What does it mean, upgrade to weak buy? It means that the stock, in our opinion, is not going to rally like before, okay? Where it rallied from $80.77. By the way, on my upgrade to over $200, we do not see that happening, okay, anytime soon. So what we consider is that the stock is not worth less than 83 to 77. That justified an upgrade to weak buy and to close the short positions. And what we see is eventually the stock moving sideways with the possibility to recover some lost ground, as in fact it happened to the case of Netflix, where the stock basically doubled precisely on my calls that people they had access to in the plans. Not only the crash, but also then the rally in shares of Netflix above $300. So what we see here is eventually the company at some point, if starts executing, obviously it has to execute. I'm talking about the next earnings. The share price could bounce. Nevertheless, I remind you that I'm not talking about a strong buy rating where we would bet that this was going then rally to the moon, to this region here, because we do not see it. Okay, so this stock obviously remains, despite the fact that today it is trading higher, it remains within, as you might see here, it's very simple, it remains within a very profound downtrend. Okay, so I'm no longer short this stock. So just to be clear, I'm going to type it here. Alex is no longer short Disney. And having said this, also you don't have to buy shares if you don't want. Okay, so I don't oblige no one. I'm just, last week I shared my opinion, and I'm back here sharing my opinion once again with you. If you want to buy some shares on weakness, and by the way, this I'm not talking just about, in fact, the case of Disney. There were many stocks that we recommend